Sorry, guys, we had some technical difficulties in that last one. We're going to finish up this last example. If you want to try this one on your own, that'd be great. If not, you can follow along with me. Let's go. We want to write the slope-intercept form of an equation of a line to the given points. Again, we don't have slope here, and we don't have the y-intercept. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to find the slope. Let's label this x1, y1, x2, y2. And we're just going to use our formula. Again, when I said flip, I mean you can use y2 minus y1. Doesn't matter. Sometimes it keeps it easier by keeping the x1 minus x2. So it's going to be -1 minus, and I always like to put this in parentheses, -7, x1, -4, minus 8. That's going to make that plus positive. And again, what we're doing here is we're finding slope first. That's a 6. That is going to be a -12 because we make that plus a negative. And your slope, your first part of this is going to be -1/2. This is going to be our slope. Okay, so how do we find our y-intercept? Well, we're going to plug one of these numbers in. Well, we know that y equals mx plus b. We already know the slope. We just found it, -1/2 x plus b. I'm going to use this here. I'm going to plug in this. I think those numbers are easier. So let's plug those in. The y is a -1, so let's plug that -1 in here. And -1/2 times the -4 plus b. And again, it's up to you. You don't have to use those numbers, but you can, just because I think they're easier. -1/2 times the -4 is a +2 plus b. And we're just going to take away 2 on both sides. -3 equals b. And we have our y-intercept. We have our slope. Let's just plug that in. I should be using color coding the whole time. Y equals, this is your slope, -1/2 x minus 3. That is your slope-intercept form. And again, great way to do this is you can take this value right here and just plug it. Do this in your head real quick. Take the 8, plug it right there. You can do this in your head. 8 times a -1/2 is -4, right? So y equals -4 minus 3. And guys, -4 minus 3, isn't that -7? Bam! You just checked your work. It's got to equal. I always like doing that. It's always good to check your work. Hopefully this made sense. If it's not making sense, please reach out to me. I've done one-on-one conferences with students, but we are having another conference all together this week. I haven't decided what time on Thursday, but join me then. And I hope you're having an awesome week. You're awesome. And say hi to your family. Make sure you pet your animals. Make sure that you are eating delicious food and trying to get outside. Right now I'm doing this video and it's like pouring rain. It's like pouring rain. Let's take a look. Pouring rain. So if I have to be stuck inside, I don't mind being stuck inside talking to you guys. Have a good one.